When you're browsing the web in Safari, the browser stores your activity data so that it doesn't have to download it again each time you revisit a site. It also results in speeding up your browsing experience. But there are some situations where you might need to clear the cache and start from new. There are a couple of situations where you might benefit from clearing Safari's cache. GadInsider has compiled a detailed guide on how to clear Safari cache on Mac, iPhone, and iPad in easy steps. You can clear Safari's cache on a Mac in two different ways. The first method outlined deletes everything related to the website you visited, including not only the cache versions of the site, but also cookies and any other related data. For this, first launch the Safari browser on your Mac. Select Safari and go to Settings in the menu bar. Click the Privacy tab, then click Manage Website Data. Choose a website that's listed, then click Remove. To remove all website data from Safari, click Remove All. Meanwhile, the second method offers a more targeted approach and clears only Safari's cache, but it does involve enabling a hidden menu. If you're looking for ways to clear Safari's cache on iPhone and iPad, here are the steps. Notably, the following steps clear all history, cookies, and website data on your device, regardless of when the sites were accessed. First, launch the Settings app on your iOS device. Swipe to the bottom of the menu and select Apps, then find Safari in the list and tap it. Scroll down and select Clear History and Website Data. Choose the time frame to clear: last hour, today, today and yesterday, or all history. Choose the profile or select all profiles, then tap Clear History. Tap on Clear History and Data in the pop-up menu to confirm.